Jo, servus, grüezi und hallo. Welcome back zu einem ganz anderen Video. Ja, wir schauen jetzt mal das Payday 3 an und dann, ja, ich glaube, dass das nicht schlecht wird. Ich habe es noch nicht gespielt. Werden wir jetzt dann nochmal starten, das Ding. Und ja, schauen wir mal, was wird. Drücken wir mal eine Taste. Das Spiel hat Crossplay. Alle Plattformen miteinander. Schauen wir mal das Tutorial. Kampf oder so. Testen wir mal.
This is the combat training area. Mask up and get into position when you're ready to get started.
All right, let's do this.
I've hired some people to act as cops. Try not to hurt them too much.
I can't promise anything on that.
The cops have made a few upgrades in the past few years.
Cool.
Let's see if you can make it to the vault.
Come on, I ain't that rusty.
Snipers up ahead. Get into cover and aim down sight to get a clear shot.
Uh-huh. Kill the sniper! I killed the motherfucking sniper!
Shoot out the window and climb inside.
Na, wie kommen wir rein?
The new shields are tough bastards. Throw a grenade to distract them, or shoot out the shield's visor to weaken it.
I'm losing my patience! Shield's broken!
That's a nader. Aim for the grenade belt to give them a taste of their own medicine.
Okay.
There's dead!
Got a body bag with your name.
deploy it and get yourself back to form. As a treat, I've left an overkill weapon in there. Pick it up and rush through the next door to do some real damage.
That's what I'm talking about.
I'm tracking another assault team. They'll be there in about 30 seconds.
Grenade, watch it!
Keep firing! I got you now! Christ, they killed him! They got one of us! Take him out! Take him out! Shit! Grenade! Fuckers, get
Drill open the vault door and secure the loot.
Yeah, I know. Drill set up. Okay, go for headshots. Get him in a kill box.
Now, set up a zip line. It's an easy way to move bags or yourself quickly.
Got it.
Wie war das gemeint? Das. Wie geht jetzt das? Bauen eine Seilrutsche, ja genau. Aber wie baue ich da her? Dann mache ich das Ding auf.
Setting up overkill delivery.
So. Okay.
This is some serious fucking hardware.
Na, die Steuerung ist sehr schwer. Aber so glaube ich nicht schlecht.
Good job. Now get out of there.
All right, let's do it again.
Das war jetzt nur ein Test. Naja. Ich glaube, das ist nicht schlecht. Was meinst du jetzt? Ja? Die Zusammenfassung. Aber brauchen wir zu lange. Okay. Dann weiß man wenigstens, wie das geht. Untertauch.
The best solution isn't always to use a gun. Sometimes you get further just by blending in. Get in there and case out the area. I've hired some people to make the situation feel more real.
Hell yeah, let's case this fucker.
Also mal anschlägig.
The next area is public. Guards won't bother you here unless they spot you doing something illegal.
Ah, they better not.
Find a way to unlock the door.
Yeah. Hey!
Also, der tut mir erst was. Wenn ich.
The next area is not public, meaning you'll be escorted out if the guard discovers you.
Mhm. Rostknochen auch noch. Okay.
Get through that door undetected and you'll reach the safe.
Und du kommst jetzt so vorbei, bitte?
You got spotted. Just play
You,
along for now.
fucknut.
Follow
Restricted
him and
area.
don't blow
Let's
your
go.
cover.
Yeah, got this.
Don't make this difficult. Just follow me.
Freeze! Right there!
Once you're discovered, you need to follow the guard, or they'll cuff you. Start over.
Stop right there!
That guard is bound to see you unless you do something about
Hat ihn so hingehauen.
Let's try some more advanced stealth training. Get ready and move up to the starting point. The people you'll encounter are actors. Try not to mess them up too badly.
And they ain't gonna see me. They gonna feel me, though.
The objective of this exercise is to locate and steal a jewel. Just like in the good old days.
Ain't nothing to it.
Head over to the jewelry room. As you know, so long as you don't do anything illegal, public areas are safe. The guards won't bother you.
Yeah, all right.
That's an electronic lock. Bypass it by checking the symbols on the display and flip the right switch. Be careful of the cameras. This is a secure area. No second chances. If they catch you here, they'll cuff you straight away.
Yeah, I got it.
That guard is in the way. Time to get serious. Take him out.
Easy peasy. Oh yeah, let's hit it.
Answer the radio. Unanswered calls make the other guards very suspicious. Make something up.
You okay over there?
Make sure to hide the body someplace safe. If another guard finds it, they'll raise the alarm.
Really? You think I didn't know that?
This next door has a pin code lock. You need to find the right combination.
Uh-huh.
Um die Werkbank. Das geht nicht. So.
That vent leads to the jewelry room, but the camera's pointing right at it. You need to do something about it.
Got it.
Use your glass cutter to get the jewel out cleanly. You have the jewel, but a guard has spotted the broken camera and become suspicious. They're searching for you now, and they won't stop until they find you.
Oh, they're gonna catch me, right?
That looks off as hell. I don't like the sound of that.
next time.
What the fuck?
Okay.
Good thing I was able to reach you guys. The whole thing moves so fast, I almost didn't connect the dots in time.
Yeah, thanks for the heads up. Shade, right?
Don't worry about it. I made a promise to Bane to watch your backs.
Yeah. Great. You saved us. Whoop-de-doo. What the fuck happened?
Wankers tried to snuff us all, that's what fucking happened.
It was carefully planned. All the attacks happened at the same time.
And they froze our accounts. I checked. We're broke. All of us.
It's a conspiracy theory.
Well, it's happening, so it's an actual conspiracy.
Motherfuckers.
Whoever did this is extremely well connected. And you've pissed off more than a few powerful people over the years. I'll start digging, but it's gonna take some time.
What happened to the others?
I reached out to everyone, but I only got through to the 5 of you.
So much for retirement. We're gonna need cash to get back at these assholes.
I've got the perfect job to get you started. And I got you some supplies. Check the crate behind you.
Lady, I like you already.
All right, enough talking. Let's get to work.
This small bank has an unusually large amount of
Okay.
cash in its vault. Breach it and steal everything inside.
Schau.
Let's get you back in the saddle. This is a small branch bank, usually low traffic. But there's been a mix-up in the money transport schedule, meaning there's a lot more cash than usual in the vault. Decide how you want to do this. Beat the security gate and quietly gain access to the vault, or go in guns blazing and burn your way through the roof. It's your call. You've done this a million times before. But hey, there's no rest for the wicked.
Okay, müssen wir immer zusammenspielen, das ist auch nicht schlecht. Okay. Fertigkeitspunkte. Kann man einfach geben, die Gaudi. Man kann sich spezialisieren praktisch. Okay. Wieder mehr, wieder furchtbar. Okay. So kann man. Also kann man zwischen verschiedenen Ausstattungen wählen. Hey. Okay. Lustig. Ist nicht schlecht. Herausforderungen, Raub, Barriere, Kampf. Mhm. Schauen wir mal.
Let's get you back in the saddle. This is a small branch bank, usually low traffic. But there's been a mix-up in the money transport schedule, meaning there's a lot more cash than usual in the vault. Decide how you want to do this. Beat the security gate and quietly gain access to the vault, or go in guns blazing and burn your way through the roof. It's your call. You've done this a million times before. But hey, there's no rest for the wicked.
Dobra, der wollte wohl mitspielen, ja. Okay. Das schaut nicht schlecht aus. Da kann man nicht weiter dran. So wie das ausschaut.
There's a lot of cash just sitting in this branch bank, waiting to be stolen. Let's get you back in this. There's a lot of cash just sitting in it. Let's get you back in the saddle. This is a small branch bank, usually low traffic. But there's been a mix-up in the money transport schedule, meaning there's a lot more cash than usual in the vault.
Wenn einer Bock hat,
Decide how you want to do this.
dann
Beat the
und in der
security
Nacht
gate and
Zeit
quietly
hat,
gain access to the
dann
vault,
sollte man
or go in
vielleicht
guns blazing and burn your way through the roof.
das Spiel
It's
sich
your
anschauen.
call.
Es ist gar nicht so
You've
viel
done this a
teuer.
million times before. But
Ich glaube,
hey,
das macht Spaß,
there's
wenn man
no
es
rest for the wicked.
miteinander spielen kann. So, für mich ist der Feierabend. Man hat es gesehen. Ausstattungen kann man sie kaufen. Verschiedene Waffen. Kann man alles selber freispielen. Abschimas, Stickers, Munitionstaschen, ja, alles cool. Verschiedene Masken. Aber wie gesagt, man braucht halt nur ein paar zum Mitspielen, so wie das hier schaut.
Let's try some more advanced stealth training. Get ready and move up to the starting point.
Jo.
The people you'll encounter are actors. Try not to mess them up
Die
too
Mimos
badly.
ist da
They
nochmal.
ain't gonna see me. They gonna feel me though.
Schauen wir mal, ob sie ein paar Leute finden, die wo das miteinander, wo man miteinander zocken könnte. Das ist dann auch schon Massenkontrolle, haben wir auch noch nicht.
Controlling civilians is always a challenge. It's like herding fucking cats.
Yeah, you ain't kidding.
Remember, these people are actors. Try to go easy on them.
Well, we'll see.
There's a guard watching the door. Sneak up behind them and do a silent takedown.
Piece of cake.
Who is messing around? You're not allowed in here. No sightseeing? Come on, I'll show you out. Get moving or you're gonna be hurting.
Motherfucking fuck.
Hold it right there.
Thanks.
I just caught some bastard messing around.
Das war wohl nichts.
Controlling civilians is always a challenge. It's like herding fucking cats.
Yeah, you ain't kidding.
Remember, these people are actors. Try to go easy on them.
Well, we'll see.
There's a guard watching the door. Sneak up behind them and do a silent takedown.
Piece of cake. Time to mask up, yo.
I said silent takedown.
What? Shit was handled, right?
The door is locked from the inside. Just shoot it open.
This is Central. Please respond.
Huh? What? No, fuck, no, I wasn't sleeping. Hell no, except I had this dream. Weirdest shit ever, man. There was a kangaroo, a stairmaster, and a goddamn sea monster.
Yeah, I can see that. That's good to hear.
I made sure the alarm would be triggered. Civilians can be used to our advantage when the cops are coming.
Wow, that's not appreciated.
Control the civilians by intimidation. Tie them up so they don't run away. We will need them.
Let me go! Hey, what are you doing?
The loot is in lockdown. You'll need the manager to disable the security system in the back room. The guards will shoot on sight. Grab the manager as a human shield.
Well, better him than me.
Jesus!
Access denied.
Unhand me!
Just give up already!
First I missed my train, now I'm getting robbed.
What the fuck? They got one of us!
Push the manager in front of the eye scanner by the office door. Access granted. You're in. Now disable the jewelry case's security on the computer. responder cops are arriving.
Oh, my favorite little bitches.
Unhand me!
You can make all sorts of trades with the cops in exchange for civilians, like making them hold off their attack.
Uh-huh.
Negotiations are a goddamn minefield. One wrong move, like killing a civvy or firing on the cops, will fuck up the deal. Try again.
Sensitive ass bitches.
Ja. Jetzt war's das dann weiter wieder. Schauen wir mal. Nächstes Mal mehr. Servus, pfiat euch und so weiter. Ja, das Game ist nicht schlecht. Jetzt habe ich erst gesehen, dass mir Patrol hat in der Nacht. Kann man gut lassen. Server sind offline, ja. Tolle Show. Darum geht es nicht. Bringt aber auch nichts, wenn sie Spiele bringen und den Server ausschalten, oder? Also mit das Ding da noch einstellen.
Let's get you back in the saddle. This is a small branch bank, usually low traffic. But there's been a mix-up in the money transport schedule, meaning there's a lot more cash than usual in the vault. Decide how you want to do this.